In this video, I will show you how to lock folder in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and create a new folder. So I'm just going to call this one test. And what I'm going to do is add these two images to this folder. So this is the folder that we're going to learn how to lock. Now, what you want to do once you've located the folder you want to lock, what you want to do is actually right click and go down to new and then text document. Now we can leave this set to new text document, and what you want to do is double click to open this up. Then what you want to do is paste this code in, which I will leave in the video description down below. So if you copy this from my video description, paste that into your text document. And once you've done that, you want to come down to the line where you can set a password. So you can see that's just down here. All you need to do is delete this text here, which says your password, and replace it with whatever you want your password to be. In this case, I've set it to test123. Now, once you've done that, come up to the top, click onto File, and then Save As. And what you want to do is save this as lock.bat. And in the Save As type, you want to change this from text documents to all files. Once that's done, go ahead and click Save underneath, and then as you can see, we've now created our lock file here. So now to go ahead and lock this folder, it's really easy. All you need to do is double click onto this newly created lock batch file. And what that's going to do is create a private folder like this. Now, once that's been created, what you can then do is go ahead and drag your folders or your images or anything you like into this private folder. And once you've done that, double click onto the lock folder again. And it's going to ask, are you sure you want to lock this folder? So go ahead and type Y and then hit enter. So what that's going to do is actually lock the folder. So what you can now do is double click onto the batch file again. It's going to ask you to enter the passwords to unlock your secure folder. So of course, this is going to be the passwords that you input into the code earlier. For myself, that was test123. So if you enter your password and hit enter, what it's going to do is give you access back to the folder. So that is how to lock folder in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.